Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off today's look, we are going to use the Jaclyn Hill. This poor baby is so dirty. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've had this for a while and I've yet to do like a tutorial with it. So let's see. Alright, so I always mention this, and I probably always will. Every single time you do your eyeshadow, you always want to start off with a transition color in your crease. So for my transition colors, I'm going to be going in with this color right here, and then this one right here. So first we're going to start off with that yellow, or like that mustardy color. I'm using a Morphe M502. Then for the crease as well, and don't mind if you get it all over the lid, or if I do, that's going to be okay because we're actually going to add a glitter. So we're going to go in with this dark green. It almost looks black, but it's a very dark green, and we're going to be applying that a little bit in the crease, or it's probably going to go all over the place because it is a dark color. And I'm going to use a big fluffy blending brush. This is probably like my favorite brush ever. I always use this. It's the Morphe R40. It's like already fading off. That's how much I use this brush. So we're going in with that dark shade. That dark green one. And you want to start off with a light hand because these are very pigmented. And you want to make sure that there's no fallout. So just a little bit with a light hand. So I just went over the dark green with those two first shades that I showed you guys that I used in my crease, just to help blend it out. Now I'm using a Urban Decay brush, and I really only use it for like this end because it's very pointed, but it's very dense, so it really packs in color. So I'm just going to go over the green, but only in the crease. Then on the eyelid, I'm going to be using this really pretty green. It's like a green metallic. It's not a glitter, but it's like a green metallic shade. And actually, I'm going to be applying that with my Sigma concealer brush. And I'm just going to wet it a little bit with some setting spray. And I'm going to start from the inner corner and work my way just to the middle. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. So then just to add a pop of color and brighten up the eyes a little bit, I'm actually going to go in with my all-time favorite. I use this like in every video. I'm sure you guys know if you watch my videos. I always use the Carli bybel Deluxe Edition palette. And I always use the lightest shade in her palettes, the highlight. And I always apply that in the inner corner of my eyes. This always helps to open up your eyes, make everything just appear a lot brighter and nice, in my opinion, of course. So moving on, we are going to apply eyeliner. And I always use the L'Oreal Super Slim. Move those out of the way. Now for lashes, I'm using the Buxom mascara. So I'm gonna hop offline really quick and apply my false lashes. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I applied my false lashes. Hopefully they're dry. So for eyeliner, I'm actually going to be using the color Honey Dude by Colourpop. And it's a nude eyeliner. I'm going to apply this just to brighten up the eyes just a little bit because we are looking a little dark. Then for shadow on the bottom, I'm going to be using that dark shade that I used for my crease earlier. And apply that on my lower lash line. Then for lips, we're going to be using Colourpop. Look at my hands. So dirty. Wash that off really quick. So for lips, we're going to be using Colourpop. We're using BFF2. Then for lips, we're going to be using Anastasia and Ashton. Then for highlighting the high points of my face, like my cupid's bow and my nose, my brows, like I normally highlight, I'm going to be using the gold shade from the Carli Deluxe Edition palette and just highlight away. Then we're using some setting spray. I'm using the Pixi Vitamin Wake Mist. Okay guys, so that's it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, then please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.